PC World Essential heater fan. It doesn't work. It wasn't work at all. I was trying to check what's wrong with this. I opened it. It's got 6 bolts at the back. Just remove it. And what was wrong with that was can you see over here? There's can be many other problems as well. I mean, this can be this one. This can be this one. Doesn't touch with this, or the transitor, or you can call what we call the transformer, little transformer, I think. I don't know, but the thing is, like, this has to go from here to there. The current should pass over there, and then it just continue from there to here. Yeah, it's just passing through the current. So what happened, I think it's gone, it's burst inside, I think, so it doesn't work. So what I did, I give a jump from here to there, so the same procedure will be work. But I think it's like it's your own risk. You could have try to change same as these ones. One of these you can order in eBay, or you can try with this one, but there is a reason they have put this one, this transitor or the transformer. I really don't know what's the name. I just call it transformer because it has to pass the current from here to there. So it's your own risk if you want to do that. If it doesn't work, you can check either this one or this one, or it might have a problem over here. Sometimes it won't, when you switch on and off, see, it's disconnect and connect, disconnect and connect. So this could be the problem in the heater. If you want to repair this, the heater fan, the fan heater, you can check these all major, or you can, it's still there's a problem, could be the problem. This can be, there's one of these ones can break, so it is disconnecting the current pass through. So when it's broken, one of these one, either way, all of this you have to check as well. You can remove easily this fan, take it off, like push it back this little clip, all of them, and then push them back, all the clips, and take it off the fan. That's how it should take it off. But it's worked fine now. After that, I was gave the jump from here to there. It works fine. If you want, I can show you. 1 second. Is it on? Okay. This is the switch. When you just put it down, it's past the current. See, it's worked fine. So that was the problem. This essential heater fan. Sorry, fan heater.